Effective home remedies for heartburn and diarrhea. Welcome to Natural Healing Guides. Please look in the description box below to skip to the appropriate remedy that applies to you. Heartburn and diarrhea are both symptoms of upset stomach and indigestion. These are often accompanied by acid reflux, bloating, belching, farting, and sour breath. All of these are interconnected. Home remedies for heartburn. Heartburn is something which is common with most people. It is a burning sensation behind the breastbone. It usually creeps up the throat and is caused by acid reflux. When your lower esophageal sphincter, the ring of muscle that lets food into your stomach, relaxes, the acid from the stomach goes up the esophagus. Then, you begin to feel the heartburn sensation. While you can have reflux without heartburn, you can't experience heartburn without reflux. Here are 24 effective home remedies to tackle heartburn. Banana or apple. Banana has natural antacids that can counter acid reflux. This is a simple remedy for heartburn. You can try eating a banana a day. You can also eat an apple before bedtime for more relief. Mustard. Mustard is an alkalizing food that contains a weak acid like vinegar and is full of minerals. Its alkaline properties can help to neutralize the acid and the pain too. Consume a teaspoon of good yellow mustard. Almond. Almonds can neutralize the juices in your stomach. It helps to relieve and prevent heartburn. You can eat 3 or 4 almonds directly after every meal. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea can reduce the inflammation in your stomach and balance the acidity levels. It also helps to relieve stress. You can take at night before you go to bed. Put chamomile flower petals in boiling water and stir. Allow to simmer and drink. Avoid tight clothes. Clothes that clinch tightly around your waist and chest can worsen heartburn. The waistband of tight jeans can sink into your abdomen when you sit down. Tight belts can also put more pressure on your lower esophageal sphincter, causing you to experience reflux. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Smoking cigarettes and drinking alcohol can make your stomach contents rise up into your esophagus. Alcohol also irritates the stomach. Both of them can cause you to have a very bad reflux. Stop smoking and do away with alcohol. Ginger root tea. Ginger root can help provide relief from acid reflux. You can drink ginger root tea 20 or 30 minutes before eating your meal. It will help to calm your stomach. Put small pieces of ginger root in warm water and cover for some minutes. Pour into a glass and drink before your meal. Know the triggers. Observe and take note of your eating habits. What you eat and how you eat can be the reason for your heartburn. Once you know the triggers, make habit adjustments where necessary. Apple cider vinegar. Sometimes, acid reflux occurs when you don't have enough acid in your stomach. So instead of your lower esophageal sphincter to tighten and close, it loosens up when your body doesn't produce enough acid. Mix apple cider vinegar with water. You can drink before a meal and before bedtime. Elevate your head. Heartburn often worsens at night when you're lying down. Elevate your head by placing a pillow or cloth under your head. Also, you should not lie down within 3 to 4 hours after eating. Chew gum. You can experience some relief from heartburn by chewing a sugar-free gum for 20 minutes after a meal. Chewing gum helps to stimulate the salivary glands and produce more saliva. When you swallow the saliva, the acid gets cleared away from the gut. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera can help soothe burns. It also reduces the inflammation caused by heartburn. When your stomach gets irritated, drink aloe vera juice to calm it down. You can drink half a cup of aloe vera juice just before a meal. Watch your eating habits. Don't rush your food. Try to eat small amounts slowly. You should allow your stomach to properly digest meals. Certain foods also trigger heartburn. These foods can be citrus fruits like tomato and even spicy foods. Maintain a healthy weight. If you are overweight, your chances of suffering from heartburn may increase. The extra weight usually exerts more pressure on your lower esophageal sphincter. Make sure to get active and maintain a healthy weight. Ginger. Regular consumption of ginger can stop and prevent heartburn. You can use it to make tea or cook food. You can also eat raw ginger. Also, boil grated ginger and drink. Vegetable juice. You can extract the juice of vegetables like cabbage, cucumber, beets or carrot. This can be done with a juicer or blender. Make sure to drink in the morning, preferably on an empty stomach. Garlic. When you notice heartburn, chew a piece of garlic. You can mix garlic with apple cider vinegar and drink anytime you experience heartburn. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds can help ease heartburn. Make a herbal tea with some fennel seeds. Mix the fennel seeds in boiling water, strain and drink. Skim milk. Skim milk, which is fat-free, can help to buffer stomach acidity for a while. However, do not drink lots of milk at once. Cinnamon. Cinnamon can also offer some relief from heartburn. Make cinnamon tea by crushing the cinnamon sticks and add to boiling water. Allow to boil for few minutes before you strain. Basil. Basil can help neutralize the acidity in the stomach. It also helps to stop nausea and gastric problem. Use it by chewing 2 or 3 basil leaves. Turmeric. Turmeric helps to reduce the formation of acid in the stomach. You can add to food or take turmeric capsules before your meal. Potato. Potato is an excellent remedy for heartburn. You can extract the juice of a raw potato. Mix the juice with some cold water, stir and drink. Home remedies for diarrhea. Ginger. Ginger is often used as a home remedy for indigestion and diarrhea. It contains chemicals such as shogols and gingerols that can speed up stomach contractions. You can try adding ginger to your food. You can also make a ginger tea. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Smoking tends to irritate the throat and increases your chance of having an upset stomach. Alcohol is a toxin that can be difficult to digest. Alcohol also causes damage to the stomach lining and liver. To treat diarrhea, avoid smoking cigarettes and drinking alcohol. Avoid diarrhea-causing foods. Some foods are really hard to digest and this can cause indigestion. Anyone with diarrhea should do away with foods that are salty, fried, fatty and creamy. Cloves. Cloves can help reduce gas in the stomach. It can speed up slow digestion and reduce nausea. Mix powdered cloves with honey and take before bedtime. You can also mix some cloves in boiling water to make clove tea and drink slowly. Cumin. Cumin seeds have active ingredients that can reduce intestinal inflammation. It also acts as an antimicrobial and decreases gas. It also reduces excess stomach acids. Mix powdered cumin with your food. You can also use it to make tea. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice can provide relief by promoting the balance of digestive bacteria. It can also reduce inflammation and reduce excess stomach acid. Drink aloe vera juice every day. Figs. Figs contain some kind of laxatives that ease constipation and indigestion. To treat diarrhea, eat whole fig fruits thrice per day. You can also brew fig leaves to make tea too. Basil. Basil can help improve digestion. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce the acid in the stomach. To cure diarrhea, add basil leaves to your meals. You can also add basil leaves to boiling water to make tea. Licorice. Licorice root can help to reduce inflammation in the stomach and treat diarrhea. You can drink licorice root tea till you begin to feel better. You can purchase licorice root tea or make it at home. Rice. Rice can help treat your stomach problems. It can ease pain and cramps due to its potassium and magnesium contents. It also absorbs fluids that contain toxins. To cure diarrhea, eat a cup of cooked rice slowly. Make sure to wait for a few hours after the last vomit before you eat the rice. Spearmint. Spearmint can cure many digestive problems like diarrhea, nausea, gastrointestinal infections and stomach spasms. To consume, drink prepared herbal teas that have spearmint in them. You can drink several times a day. Coconut water. Coconut water contains nutrients that can relieve cramps and pain. It also helps to rehydrate the body. You can drink coconut water every 5 hours for effective treatment. Banana. Banana contains nutrients that ease pains, cramps and muscle spasms. They can alleviate diarrhea by adding bulk to stools. Eat 4 to 5 bananas a day. Yarrow. Yarrow flowers have tannins, flavonoids, lactones, resins and polyphenols that can reduce the acid in the stomach. You can eat yarrow leaves raw or cook in a meal. You can also add to boiling water to make tea. Lime and baking soda. Lime or lemon and baking soda can help you reduce gas and indigestion. It helps to improve intestinal mobility and liver secretion. The acidity in lemon or lime juice can neutralize bile acids as well as acids in the stomach. Mix lemon or lime juice with baking soda and water. Drink 3 times per day. Peppermint. The menthol in peppermint can prevent diarrhea and vomiting. It also reduces muscle spasms within the intestines and relieves pain. To treat diarrhea, eat raw peppermint leaves or cook it before eating. You can also add to your beverages and teas. Drink water. This is a very simple remedy for diarrhea. Drinking water can help you feel better. Dehydration makes digestion difficult and this creates problems for your stomach. So to put this condition under control, drink more water, tea and beverage. Don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies, natural health and motivational tips.